Converting RAM to MP3, Audio Format Converter. Learn how to use audio converters to change RAM to MP3 format. Converting audio to MP3 has never been easier. Here's how to convert RAM to MP3. Download a freeware or purchase an audio format converter that supports RAM to MP3 conversions. Install the audio format converter software. There are several audio converters from which to choose. Follow the instructions the software interface provides you with and you will be able to convert RAM files to MP3 format. AVOne Audio Converter 2.18 by AVOne. This program has a free trial period for your evaluation. AVOne Gold Video/Audio Converter 3.78. This program allows for batch conversion and has a free trial period for your evaluation. Cucusoft All Audio/Video to MP3/WAV Converter 2.31 by Cucusoft. This program also allows for batch conversions and has a free trial period for your evaluation. Now that you know information to convert audio to MP3, the list of choices is endless. Quick tips: RAM stands for Real Audio Media, and is an audio format created by RealPlayer. MP3 stands for MPEG Layer 3, and is a compressed audio data format. Useful links: Glossary of audio formats downloads.com